Hello viewers, today in this video I will show you how to see your Instagram password. Okay, let's start. Open your Instagram apps and follow my steps. Click here three dot line. Click Account Center. Click now Password and Security. There is no option to see your Instagram password. Don't worry, open your phone settings and follow my all the steps properly. Scroll down. Now click here Google icon. Now click Google account. Click Password Manager. Click here Instagram icon. Enter your screen lock password. Now see your password. I hope your problem solved successfully. Please subscribe my channel.